Hello everybody, how are you doing? And today I am going to explain you in detail about what are coaxial speakers and how to install them in your car audio systems. So first of all, as you can see these speakers here that I have got, these are coaxial speakers. That means they have the woofer and the tweeter and the mid-range part applied on the same axis. On one axis it is joined, and this is the complete full range speaker, so we can give full range of frequencies to these speakers. Of course, if you are having an amplifier, you can band pass or high pass this speaker, but that's okay. But in general, in a limited power supply, you can give them full range of frequencies. So as you can see, the speakers I am having here, as you can see, are coaxial speakers from the company Alpine. It's a well-known brand and it is written Alpine SPG series. So these are 6 by 9 inches oval speakers that I have got, which goes generally in the back seat or back panel of your car. So first of all, talking about these particular speakers, Alpine G SPG series. So these have a woofer which produces very low frequencies, like it can produce 60 Hz to 2 kHz, 2.5 kHz frequencies this woofer can handle. Coming to this, now this is here a small tweeter. This is also called piezo tweeter. So this gives response on very high frequencies. And then we have this super tweeter. So this is a three-way coaxial speaker. Because it has three components, this super tweeter that can give frequencies ranging from 3-4 kilohertz to 8 kilohertz, maybe like that. It is like combined of mid-range and tweeter. So it can give the frequencies in between the mid-range and the high-end tweeter, and the absolute high frequencies this small piezo tweeter will handle. So as you can see, if I talk about the connections, so you know that we have to do the connections right here to the speaker. Right here we do the connections. So as you can see, there is one male and there is one female connector. So this is the negative end and this is the positive end, and there is a slight connection here. There is a capacitor, and the capacitor wiring goes from here to inside the speaker, and it goes inside here, and then from inside it goes to this two-way system from this woofer. These wires directly goes to the woofer coil here, and this capacitor is applied for the high pass as a high pass filter. So you can send only the high frequencies to the this part of our speaker, receives high frequency. So if we talk like the high frequencies will be handled by the tweeter and the super tweeter. So there is some low pass filter also inside. These are connected in series. These are connected in parallel to this woofer, but internally they are connected in series. So there is a low pass filter applied for this tweeter and high pass filter for this tweeter. There is a capacitor and inductor installed in this three-way system inside of this magnet, as you can see. So this is all about coaxial speakers. Now how to connect them in your car? You just have to plug and play. Just like your normal speakers, there is positive and negative connection. You just have to plug them in, and you will experience more treble, more frequency band. So you will get more treble, more mid-range instead of using just these single cone speakers. Now one downside of these coaxial speaker is that the movement of these speakers are restricted. Like if you can see, they cannot move freely because of these coaxial tweeters. These woofer cannot move freely, but in this case the Alpine have done a good job, I would say. First of all, talking, these speakers are really heavy, so they are 90 watt RMS. They are 90 watt RMS, and they are superb sounding, good sound quality I get from them. If you confuse this with component speakers, so let me tell you, these are not component speakers. In the component speakers you have tweeter like this that goes into the speaker, and there is a long wire that you can adjust. You can put these tweeters anywhere. So these are component systems, but these are coaxial systems. These tweeters would remain here. You cannot change their direction. You cannot move them from distance apart. They are just soldered on this coil, and you cannot move them. They are fixed. So the downside of coaxial speaker is that you cannot hear travel near to your ears. It will be away from your ears always. So this is the only downside. And closing with this, I will recommend you to subscribe my channel and watch more such videos, because in the next video I will be showing how to run these coaxial speakers actively. That is, how to run these tweeters from separate channel from the amplifier, and how to run this woofer separate channel from the amplifier. So that will be really adjustable sound quality, and it would have a great impact on the overall treble and the bass adjustments that we can do in the car. Thanks for watching.